Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to dive into the world of online business but feel overwhelmed by the countless options out there, you're not alone. Models like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and print on demand have become so saturated that it's tough for newcomers to stand out. And let's be real, turning yourself into a social media influencer or building a trending channel is no walk in the park either. So, what's the answer? Well, today, I want to share an alternative that could be exactly what you've been looking for. Starting your own local digital marketing agency with the help of a powerful toolkit called Local Agency Profits. Now, here's the thing. Every month, over 500,000 new small businesses launch, and nearly all of them are in desperate need of digital marketing services. We're talking about SEO, content creation, social media management, video production, web design, ad management. The list goes on. These services are essential for businesses looking to build an online presence and connect with customers. But, unlike the crowded markets of dropshipping or affiliate marketing, local digital marketing is still a largely untapped space with high demand and low competition. And that's where Local Agency Profits comes in. Starting a local digital marketing agency can be incredibly rewarding, especially when you have the right tools to guide you. The best part? You're not jumping into a saturated market where you're just another face in the crowd. Instead, you're offering essential services to businesses that need them to survive and grow. Whether it's helping a local restaurant get noticed by more customers or helping a startup build an online brand from scratch, your agency could be the key to their success. And as you continue to build your portfolio and grow your client base, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term financial success. But what makes Local Agency Profits such a game changer for someone just starting out? Well, for one, it provides you with premium tools designed specifically for marketing agencies. Let me break it down for you. With Local Agency Profits, you get access to 6 high-converting, mobile-responsive, and SEO-optimized WordPress themes. These aren't just any generic themes. They've been crafted with the sole purpose of converting visitors into paying clients. So, whether you're targeting local businesses, online brands, or even high-ticket clients, these themes will help you build a professional and effective website in no time. And the best part? You don't need any coding experience or expensive developers. You can have your agency's website up and running in just minutes. But wait, that's not all. Local Agency Profits isn't just about having a beautiful website. It's about converting that traffic into sales. That's where the exclusive bonuses come in. When you sign up, you get access to proven email templates, expert copywriting services, and client acquisition training. These are all designed to help you attract clients, close deals, and grow your agency. And let me tell you, these aren't just theoretical strategies. The tools provided by Local Agency Profits are used by countless agency owners who have already seen significant success in their businesses. What really stands out to me about this toolkit is its comprehensive approach. It's not just about getting a few themes and calling it a day. The resources provided are truly meant to set you up for success, giving you everything you need to hit the ground running. From effective client communication to expert-level marketing strategies, you're getting access to insider knowledge that many seasoned agency owners would love to have. If you've ever wondered how successful agencies manage to secure high-ticket clients, you'll find plenty of tips and training to unlock that same level of success with Local Agency Profits. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Is this a get-rich-quick scheme? The answer is no. Building a successful local digital marketing agency will take time and effort. However, with Local Agency Profits, you're putting yourself in the best position to succeed. This isn't about chasing fleeting trends. It's about offering services that businesses genuinely need. Plus, the local market is filled with businesses that are still catching up to digital marketing trends, which means you can be a pioneer in your area. So, if you've been considering starting an online business but have been hesitant to dive into oversaturated markets, local agency profits could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. With a 75% launch discount, now is the perfect time to get started. Whether you're new to the world of digital marketing or have some experience, this toolkit offers all the resources you need to hit the ground running and start seeing results. If you're ready to build your dream agency, I highly recommend giving local agency profits a closer look. It's a simple, effective way to get your business off the ground and into the hands of clients who need your expertise. So click the link below to get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with any questions you might have. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.